How do I look? Terrible? Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, this is the March BOXYCHARM battle. I'm going to compare the Boxy Lux offering to the BOXYCHARM Premium offering, and I definitely have some thoughts. It is the month of March. My BOXYCHARM boxes normally arrive like way later than I want them to, but I actually got them at a reasonable time. So you're seeing this a little earlier than typical. So like I said, this month's box includes the quarterly upgrade to BOXYCHARM Lux from the standard offering. So, you know, you're paying for your regular subscription and then you pay for the additional upgrade on top of that. Maybe let's just start there. In this month's BOXYCHARM Lux, and you know, this speaks to me, okay? I love green, I love shamrocks, I love lucky stuff, I love St. Patrick's Day, I'm very Irish. This is exciting to me. Feeling all my green vibes today, you know? In the Boxy Lux, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, so that's awesome. Let's get started with the first thing. This is the BeeBeauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette. This retails for $50. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blast of color. This is the eyeshadow palette. When I first opened it up, I was like, do I need this? This color story is just it's not doing really anything for me. Plus, it's nearly all shimmers. The only mattes in here are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Everything else is shimmer. I did use it today. Okay, I put this color Oliver in my crease. It's not super pigmented, but it might just be really close to my skin tone color, so okay. And then I put this color Edie all over the lid. I deepened up the outer corner with this color Ryan, only in the outer corner. And my lower lash line, I dipped into Luis and Andrea, because I do love a bronzy tone for lower lash line. I mean, okay, I've never heard of this brand before, so maybe I'm just stupid and don't know what I'm talking about, but $50 for 20 pans, I don't know. I feel like I already have all these colors. I wasn't even gonna use this, but I figured I needed to, just to not be a jerk. I'm honestly gonna end up rehoming this because I don't think I'm ever gonna reach for this again. It was okay. Would I repurchase? No. Do you guys know about this brand? I've never even heard of this. BeeBeauty London. I don't know. Sorry guys. Now starting off great. Okay, next, this is actually a really good thing. So this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This retails for $42. It says it's a concentrated formula for plump, radiant skin. Plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. I love Glow Recipe. Their skincare is really great. I've been using this for a few days and it's good. I mean, it's a serum, feels good. What is this, $42? That's about what you're gonna pay for serums just because the ingredient list, it's kind of what it takes to make something really good. I like it. All right. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation that retails for $36. We've all seen this. This is not a new item. It's just new to me. I've not tried this formula before, but I don't know who BOXYCHARM thinks they're sending boxes to, but I'm not this color, okay? I'm a pale goblin, fair enough. But like, am I like the light? Literally, it's like the lightest shade. Hang on, let me fact check that. Hold please. Hold please. It's not the lightest shade, this is the third lightest shade, and it's awful. Okay, I do have some very liquid formula foundations, but just this color is just wrong. I can't get a good read on it because it looks like whiteout on my skin. So that's a fail. I'm gonna have to rehome this. Whoever wants it, okay? Are you color 110 and you don't mind that I've taken one pump out of it? Speak up, I'll send it to you. I'm not kidding. This is by Roze and Quartz. It's a hair mask. This retails for $31. It says 0% sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. Vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. Well, we love that. That's a good price point for what you're getting. This thing is full all the way to the top. I mean, I've used it, but when I first opened it up, I'm not kidding, it was way up to the top. The fragrance on this, is very strong. I like my hair to smell nice and lovely, and I like my shampoos to have a really nice scent. It says rose water and sweet violet, but now that I've read this, it's definitely sweet violet. It reminds me a lot of the Bath & Body Works sweet pea. That's what it really smells like. Strong. It's good. It made my hair feel smooth, I guess. I mean, I also used it to like condition my legs. Do you ever do that? Use conditioner on your legs? It made my skin feel really nice and smooth, and then I didn't really have to slather on a whole bunch of lotion after the shower, so that's good. It's okay. It's just okay. Next. This thing. Look at this. This is from Soleil Hair Tools. It's the mini heat brush. This retails for $150. Mini heat brush. $150. Rapid heat time, heat resistant bristles allow this cute handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. No. Welcome to wasting your time. This thing is too small. What is this? A hair tool for ants? I like the design of it, but I need it to be like adult brush size. It's gonna help smooth your hair, reduce frizz, yada shmada bada. This isn't something that's gonna dry your hair. No air comes out of it. It's just a hot brush. No. And I attempted to use this and then I abandoned it halfway through. No. There's no way that this mini thing is worth $150. Get out of here. This will get rehomed to a child. This is from Bakerie. Look how adorable. It's like a little egg carton, so cute. This is the Bakerie Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. This package retails for $18. Let me open it up for you. So cute. Nutrition facts on the back. So inside, like little eggs, are little makeup sponges. Isn't that adorable? And they're each individually wrapped, which is lovely. I have used both the green and the pink to see if there was a difference of maybe the texture or the size. There isn't. It's just the color that's different. So this is how big they grow. So compared to dry, compared to damp. I used this for my makeup today. I've also used the green one, but it's super dirty, so it's in the wash me pile. The packaging and the branding, the theming for Bakerie is, I can't get enough of it. It's so cute. It's not the softest sponge that I've ever used. It feels quite firm actually, and I wonder if just the more you use it, it will soften up a little bit. It's not useless and firm like the Morphe sponges. I said what I said. So for $18, this is adorable. This would be a really cute gift, especially with Easter coming up. Easter baskets. No brainer. Next up from Dominique Cosmetics is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. This retails for $18. Kind of triangle tip. Cute, cute. The color is cute. I used it today to line my lips and I filled in just a little bit. Very soft, very creamy. I really quite like the shape of the tip. You have a lot of control, more so than you do with just a regular round. $18 is a little pricey to me for a lip liner, but the color's really nice and I do like the shape. It is different and it's retractable. I don't have to sharpen it myself, so I'm here for that. Okay, fair. I'm gonna try to contain my rage for this product. AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Gold Limp Plumping Mask. $42. It's like a jelly kind of material. There's full fucking stars in there. Stars. And glitter. Excuse me for just a moment. Glitter is not skincare. Glitter is not skincare. If someone is paying $42 for a jar of goopy glitter, thinking that this is somehow going to moisturize and nourish your lips, you are an idiot. This is infuriating. $42 for this? Stop. I'm calling the police. Okay? I was a good sport. I opened it up. I applied it to my lips. It's stupid. This is stupid. So, let me compose myself. When you add up the retail price of all of the items inside of the March Lux offering, they all add up to $387. That seems like quite a value until you look around and it's a box of trash. Maybe it's not all trash. I'm not gonna keep the eyeshadow palette because I don't need it. That brush, no. Hold on. The police are coming. Do you hear them? They're coming. Oh, I told on you. In here. She's right here. When you look at the things inside the box, I do like the serum. I like the lip liner. I do like the eggs. They're cute. Be a really cute gift for someone else. And the hair mask is okay. This is infuriating. I hate that heat brush. $150. Okay. The buy-in for this box is obviously not $387, but I wish I knew what was gonna be in here because I would have avoided it. Okay, well, let's check out the other box. Now let's take a look at premium. Okay, again, cute little lucky theme. So I'm expecting fun, glitter, maybe, you know, good fun stuff. So let's start. Okay, Kypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and the Shimmer Palette Set. This retails for $145. Here's the eye serum. Let's drop the eye serum on my hand. Wow, that smells weird. And this palette, I like this little lip, this little magnet closure situation. Here's the colors. What is happening with this center pan? What's going on with this pressing? It says for eyes and body. It's just glitter, man. Normally I wouldn't even dip my hands into such things because I would just put it aside to regift it to someone else who would quite enjoy it. But you know what? I'm not gonna send that to anyone. No. Nope. Next. This is the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA Drops. This retails for $48. This has alpha and beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities, salicylic acid, and retinol. It says it's a clarifying serum. It says perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive. I don't know about this. Something about that description I don't love because I'm already using a lactic acid treatment every day pretty much and so many other things. I'm not even gonna bother with this. Anything that says salicylic acid stresses me out because my skin typically, it just gets really red and bothered. It might have some long-lasting benefits, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pass. I'm gonna pass this on to somebody else who might be looking for something like this, but that ain't me, so. Next up from Bite Beauty, this is the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain that retails for $27. It's a bold, clean chapstick that's hydrating, long-wearing, and lightweight. Well, this is the color of the lip stain. What I did today is after I lined my lips with that Dominique lip pencil from the other box, I just tapped it on the inside of my lip and a little bit on the top of my lip just to get a hint of color, but not like full blast because I didn't think that this was gonna work with my look today. I mean, I've been sitting here sipping water and all this stuff and it's not coming off. So it's doing what it's saying. It hath stained my lips. And by the time we get to the end of the box, we'll see if I can get this off my hand. Probably won't be able to. Next up, what the fuck is this? This is by Beauty Diva London. It's the Diva Eye Brush Set that retails for $48. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Wow, that handle feels like shit. They just look real cheap, man. They look real cheap. There's no real ferrule on the brushes. They're not, these aren't made well. And why are they $45 for 4 brushes? No. These look and feel cheaper than the cheapest of drugstore brushes. They look like Dollar Tree brushes. And sometimes you can get Wet n Wild brushes at Dollar Tree, and those are good. I got a bunch of them. No ma'am, what is this? Cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Eyeliner! $45? Next, this is the hair product. Okay, this is the IGK Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask. This retails for $32. What I like the most about this is when you're in the shower and you're using anything that's like a spray, like a pump spray, your hands are wet, sometimes they're maybe soapy or something, and it's difficult to like get it to spray and whatever. Anyways, you're not gonna find that here because this is like an aerosol continuous spray. I used it on my hair separate from the other hair mask. I used this one first actually, and I liked it a lot and my hair was very shiny. There's no long-lasting residue. It didn't make my hair feel heavy or weighted down, but it definitely felt hydrated. There wasn't any frizz, everything was laying down nicely. I liked it a lot. And anything with apple cider vinegar is just really good for your hair, for shine and clarity and scalp health. Good stuff. Okay, last from Lady Gaga, House Laboratories. This is the Rip Lip Liner. Retails for $16. This is the shade Drag.
Oh, honey.
Oh,
honey.
Oh, girl.
Oh, honey.
I didn't use it today just because I used a different lip liner. I don't have anything at all from House Laboratories. Here's the color. So it's like a mauvey, you know, more cooler tone, dusty purple. That's nice. I don't really have anything in this shade in my collection. $16. It's actually cheaper than I imagined something from House Laboratories would be priced at. I figure that's more of like a premier type of brand. This is actually cheaper than the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, so Overall, when I add up the retail price of all of the items inside this month's box, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, it retails for $316. Well, do I think it's worth $316? No, no. It's an eye serum that smells weird. I still smell it on my hand. It smells like weird old plastic burnt. I will not be putting that near my eyes. And these colors in the shimmer palette are gross. Yuck. The other skincare drops that I'm not gonna keep. So pretty much, I guess like these 3 things? I don't know, you guys. Which box is the winner? For the first time in BOXYCHARM Battle history, it's a draw. Both of these boxes were trash. If the March BOXYCHARM is your first delivery of BOXYCHARM, like you're a new subscriber, I'm sorry, especially if you subscribed at my, influence. I really do love BOXYCHARM. It gives me an opportunity to try new things that I've never heard of before. I've gotten a lot of items from this brand IGK, and it's not something that I would have gravitated to before because the packaging is kind of whack. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you can be pleasantly surprised, and sometimes you can be so mad. I am sorry on behalf of BOXYCHARM. I don't work for them. I don't get this for free. I pay for these. I pay for these. Am I gonna quit BOXYCHARM? No, because I like going through these things for you guys. I like discovering new things, and sometimes, they're not all winners. Neither of these are winners. I don't like to be real negative. Oh, by the way, here's a positive. Oh yeah, look at that stain. I don't like to focus on the negatives. I don't like to just shit on things. Normally when things don't work out for me, I just don't even talk about them because it's just not my style, man, I'm not about that here, but this is the truth, okay? They weren't good, So there were still a few good items in these boxes, so I will make sure to list everything that I discussed and talked about here today down in the description box with links and with coupon codes if I have them. And if you don't know how to subscribe to BOXYCHARM and are interested, even after this month's box, I will put a link down below so you can sign up for yourself. Thanks so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing to this channel before you leave today. I upload new videos here on YouTube every week, and you can follow me on most of the other social channels. I'll catch you next time in the next video. Bye! More like unlucky. Consider What is this? I'm over here, you butt face. Hello? It's ugly. It's ugly. Come on. Mini heat brush. Wow, I cannot get this sleeve on. So light and breathable, you'll have a stroke. You'll forget. Why?